What is up, YouTube? This is going to be a quick video on a new application that Apple released a few days ago called Invites. And basically this application lets you create and send out events for anything you decide to host. So it can be a party, wedding, graduation, anything. And of course, it's going to work well on the iPhone, and other iPhones can contribute. So we're just going to go over the application in general. You can customize this invite and change a few things on it, but it does have a structure to it. So just kind of going over this new application Apple created. And once you launch it up, you'll see the little prompt there, and then you can continue into the actual template here. And this is the template. But for now, I'm just going to show you around the app. So you have upcoming, drafts, past events, current events, and invitations. So if other people send you an invite to an event, for example, you'll see it populate and you can respond accordingly. You can either put going, interested, not going, and the like. So it's a good way to stay organized and a first party way to make events, which is good. So here is the settings, and I highly recommend you turn on notifications for this. So obviously you can get notified whenever an invite comes your way, and you can do email updates. So if something changes, you can notify your attendees like, hey, change location, change time. So once again, it's a good way to organize an event, especially if you do it for a large amount of people. This is a good way to keep them up to date and keep everyone on the same page. So now that I showed you around the app, now I was going to go to the template. And so here's everything you can add to the event to make it yours. So starting with the cover photo, Apple has a bunch of stock, as you see, but you can also add a bunch of custom stuff and even use the AI stuff that Apple provides to generate an image if you want to get a special custom look. So we're just going to select the stock one here. And then, of course, you have your title. So whatever you want this to be. You have location, and then you have some subtext. So we're just going to put a random title, the name of, let's say, a birthday or whatever. And you can change the font here. And I'm sure as time goes on, they're going to add more customizations. But for now, this is what's provided. So we're just kind of changing the font here and the different types. So now you can select the date, of course, end date, start date, if you want this to be all day. And it will integrate with a calendar, at least Apple's calendar. So you can do that. And then you have location using Apple Maps. You can set the actual location precisely, and anyone within Apple Maps will appear, and they'll be able to do all the other things you could on an Apple Map. So a little thing extra is that if you have Apple Music, you can create a playlist, and anyone that you want can join a playlist and add music to it. So that's one of the iPhone only features there. You can create a custom playlist for the party and have people add to it if you approve them. So right now I'm just showing you what it looks like when you create a draft and you don't finish it. You can continue the draft, you can delete it, do whatever you want. But this is basically Apple's Invites app. First party, you can create and send out invitations to all phones via a link. Or if you have an iPhone, I'm pretty sure it's a lot more integrated. But this is a quick review of it. It's pretty nice, and I'm pretty sure they're going to add a lot more customizations, especially with the AI stuff. But for now, that's it. And I hope this helps you understand what this app is, and maybe you can even use it. But I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.